In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle the format panel in draw.io. To get started, open the page that contains a draw.io diagram inside the editor. Once you're on that page, click on the diagram itself. When the diagram is selected, a floating toolbar should appear nearby. On that toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open a pop-up window containing the diagram editor where you can access the full editing tools. After the editor opens, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. In most cases, the format panel is visible there by default. This panel is useful because it gives you quick access to styling and formatting options for the elements in your diagram, such as colors, text settings, and other appearance controls. If you already see it, then you're all set. If the format panel is not visible, don't worry. There are two simple ways to bring it back. The fastest option is to use a keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and P at the same time. As soon as you do that, the format panel should appear on the right side of the editor. If you prefer using the menu instead of a shortcut, there's another option. Go to the top menu bar inside the draw.io editor and click View. A drop-down menu will open. From there, select Format. This will toggle the format panel on, making it visible again on the right side. This is especially helpful to know if the panel was accidentally hidden or if you're working in a layout where the editor opens without it showing. Being able to quickly turn the format panel on and off can make editing much easier, especially when you need more space on the canvas or when you want quick access to formatting tools. So to recap, open the page with the diagram, select the diagram, click the edit icon from the floating toolbar to launch the editor, and then either use Ctrl-Shift-P or go to View and choose Format to show the format panel. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to toggle the format panel in draw.io.